Best regards, dear tutor and partners. I am Rosa Maria Frade, and according to the guide activity, today I'm going to talk about Web 2.0. So first of all, I think it's important to do a short introduction about this topic. In the last year, it has been common to listen about the expression Web 2.0, but what does it mean? When we are talking about this, is related to all websites that facilitate the exchange information and interoperability that is centered in the user. The design of the web is guide to user to share information that can help, inform, and the user has the need to learn or know. Also, the tools Web 2.0 represent the evolution of the apps to the final user. I think one of the most important characteristics is the collaborative participation of users. Okay, before to start my presentation, I would like to tell you that this work was created using a Web 2.0 called FlipSnack. It's a free online platform that allows me to convert PDF documents on flashcard, and the result is the appearance of books or magazines, as you can see. Well, the first tool I'm going to talk about is YouTube. You can access to YouTube using this web page. YouTube is a platform in which users can upload diverse audiovisual content and also share appreciation, comments, and even be a YouTuber. That is a very common profession for today. The material I could design using this tool is create educational videos or share videos already created on a specific topic. Okay, the next Web 2.0 I created was Prezi. Prezi is a multimedia app to create presentations. It's also one of the most creative tools during the last years. It's a bridge between linear and not linear information, and it works as a presentation and allows to exchange ideas tools in a free way or well structured, as you can see. The text, ideas, videos, or other means of presentations are put on the painting, and it's possible to group together on a frame. I think the material I could design using this tool is create interactive sessions in class or group projects. And I have the opportunity that the students can collaborate in real time. Edmodo is a technological, social, educational, and free platform that allows communication between students and teachers on a closed and private environment in a microblogging way, created for specific use on upper-middle education. The material I could design using this tool is create work groups and manage them. Also, I can upload files, create events, perform quiz, decide assignments, and put qualifications. Well, the next web is Webly. Webly is an online platform to create web pages in a free way for the first years, and it's not necessary to have a lot of knowledge to work it. Webly offers several kinds of templates, and it's possible to include different types of multimedia or static page. I think the material I could design using this tool is create a free class website, and the students can help to build the web. Also, another uses are create a website and a blog for the class easily, manage my students' accounts, accept tasks online, and keep my students' parents up to date. The next tool is GoCorn. GoCorn is a personalized environment study that helps us to improve our learning. It includes learning tools that allow creating different resources. The material I could design using the tool are mental maps, flowcharts, and memory cards. The presentation also serves as a way to summarize complex concepts with the help of multimedia elements. Dear partners, this was my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time. I hope for your comments in order to improve my learning process. Thank you. Bye.